man, it's been long, King. It's been a while. How have you been, Rasta?
Well, we're giving thanks for health and strength, you know. That's the greatest thing anybody can ask for in these crazy times we're living in.
Exactly, King. You know, sometimes that's all we need, that's all we hope for. How is the family?
Everyone is good, my brother. You know, we're grateful that we are all still together making music. The new single, Just a Number, came out, I think about a week or two now, and has been received very well. We're grateful to everyone in Zimbabwe that keeps streaming it, keep watching it on YouTube, you know, downloading it wherever I want to get to the music. Just keep enjoying the new music.
You know, we dropped it on radio last week, Thursday. It's been 7 days now, and the response has been amazing. It's been crazy. Please tell me more about the tune.
Just a Number is an awareness tune for people that have a professional career, specifically in the entertainment industry. When you talk about sports, film, television, and music, there seems to be a pattern when you look at everything that some of these people that have fallen from grace over the last, say, 15 years, right? People that we love to watch on our TV, we read their books, we watch them, you know, in the movies, or we listen to their music. They do something outside of their professional career or say something that gets them into trouble because it offends someone, right? That's the reality of the society that we're living in today as a people.
You see, now when you listen deeply to the song, you know, it moves you. I need to know the inspiration behind it. Was it maybe a real life story, maybe a friend, maybe a relative? What made you write that song?
It's just life, you know. As we here at home coming out of the pandemic, we're paying attention to what's going on around us. You know, we have children that is very dialed in or tuned into pop culture, so to speak. So these people that have fallen from grace, that we all know their names. I don't have to call names. We know who they are. It's headline news around the globe. So when we see these things as creatives ourselves, we're like, wow, that could be us.
Yes, that's real. You know, it could be us, it could be one of us. Now, I see the tune was produced by Karim Remus Barrel, you know, the son of the great Fatis Barrel. You know, it seems like there's a relationship between the Barrel family and the Heritage family.
Yeah, man, this relationship goes back 20 plus years. You know, when Remus was a little baby, and used to come to the studio with him father, and you know, and we got a house, visit him and him brother and sisters and him mother and them thing there. So for us working with a second generation producer like Remus and I who worked with his father, I think it's just a beautiful thing to be able to help him carry on his family's legacy as we continue to carry on our family's legacy. So it's two great musical families from Jamaica continuing to do good work together, and it's always a joy when we can link with our family and friends in this musical, you know, journey.
And that means maybe in the near future we can expect more songs or maybe an album from the great Karim Barrel as well.
Well, Morgan Heritage have a new album coming very shortly that is produced by us. I don't think we're going to do an album for one producer ever again. I think that part of our journey has been well documented with the years with Bobby Digital, rest in peace, King Jammies, you know. And at this point, as music producers ourselves, we like to collaborate with producers around the world versus just sitting back and saying, okay, send me a rhythm and me just put on my voice. You know, we love the creative process too much to just sit back and not be involved in the creation of the music, if that makes sense.
Selassie. Now, talking of the new album, is it the same album that is coming through with African artists on it?
The album coming up, I know that Jah Prayzah is on the album.
Jah Prayzah
from Zimbabwe. Yeah.
Jah Prayzah is on the album. Oh gosh, now we can't wait for the album. When is the album coming through now?
In a few months.
In a few months. And can we expect other African artists on it as well?
There's a lot of different artists on the album, but everyone should stay tuned to our social media at Morgan Heritage on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Morgan Heritage Official on TikTok, and our website, morganheritagemusic.com. If you want to know who is on the new Morgan Heritage album, make sure you follow us. Subscribe to our YouTube, Morgan Heritage TV on YouTube. So, we can't give away everything at once. Then you don't have a next interview to do with me.
Now, please, come and shoot the Jah Prayzah video in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, man.
Because we need the world to see how beautiful our country is. So please, come through and shoot a video here.
100%.
Okay, thank you so much, Elder Mojo. Can I please talk to Elder Peter if he's around?
Blessed.
Yes, I greetings, King.
Yes, I give thanks.
You know, it's a blessing that we have an opportunity now to have you on radio. The last time that you came through to Zimbabwe, we never had the opportunity to host you on radio.
Yeah, man, we give thanks and we say blessings to all Zimbabweans. The whole massive down of Zimbabwe, we say blessings.
Give thanks, King. Now, King, we're just talking about the new album, the Morgan Heritage album coming through. And my brother, Elder Mojo, told me that Jah Prayzah is on the album. Please tell me, how was it working with Jah Prayzah? Tell me about it.
Yeah, man, blessed up Jah Prayzah. Yeah, man, he's our brother, you know what I mean? And from the first time we came to Jah Prayzah, first time we came to Zimbabwe, Jah Prayzah welcome us and make us feel at home. And from that time, we have just been family. So, you know, blessings to Jah Prayzah and the whole movement.
Now, King, what we have seen in the recent years, we have seen your love for Africa. We understand almost every year you go around Africa, you know. And when I was talking to my brothers,
yes, sir,
they told me now when Morgan Heritage is going across Africa, they make it very easy for promoters to host them in each and every country they go. Tell me about that.
Yes. Yes, I mean, you know, Africa to us is home, so you cannot come home and want to deal with it like in a foreign land. We deal with home like home. You know what I mean? And the same way we move to Jamaica as home, and sometimes to America as home. The same way we move to Africa. So, you know, we don't make things difficult for our African brothers and sisters when we are at home for them to host us in different countries.
Selassie, and we've seen that in the past you have even lyricated songs for the great late Lucky Dube.
Yes. Big up Lucky Dube.
Now, give thanks for that. King, we can't wait to hear the album. But before you go, are you coming to Zimbabwe, King, this year?
Jah willing, we will see. Jah willing, but you know, it's on the radar just like many other places in the world. So we're looking forward to return to Zimbabwe in due time.
Thank you so much, King. Before you go, please introduce the brand new tune, Just a Number, for me.
Yeah, man, well, you don't know, it's a brand new Morgan Heritage tune. I will dedicate this to all those who stand firm in the struggle and bless up the whole of Zimbabwe. This one is called Just a Number.